Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a Claude.ai account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Claude.ai website if you have not already. So if you do not know how to do so, just go to the URL bar at the top of your internet browser and search for Claude.ai. Once you go ahead and enter this in, so click the enter button and it's going to open up this main page right here. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started. As you can see immediately, you're going to be given this prompt right here to enter in your email address that you want to continue with, and here in the upper right corner you have the Try Cloud option. So by clicking Try Cloud, it's going to go ahead and enable you to go ahead and log in right here with Google. So you're going to click Continue with Google, and this is going to open up the prompt that's going to enable you to go ahead and select what account you want to use. So by clicking Continue with Google, I'm going to go and select an account, and just like that, you are going to go and be able to proceed with using it. Once you're logged in, you are going to go and be greeted by their prompt right here, and this is how you can go ahead and get started with using their platform. But basically, that is how to go ahead and get started creating an account. You are going to go and be using your email or either your Google. There are no other options. So by clicking continue or with your email, it's going to take you to the next page where you can set up your password and all your info, and that is how to get started creating an account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.